Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel where we talk about tech and all things related to tech. Today, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of creating a successful email campaign using MailChimp. MailChimp, as we all know, is a very powerful tool for businesses, creators, and marketers to connect with their specific audience. So let's jump right into it. The first thing we need to do is to log into our MailChimp account. And once we've done that, we can proceed to create our email campaign. But first, I would also like to emphasize the fact that we need audiences in order to have a receiver for that email campaign. In order to check on your audiences, you can click on the fourth option on the left side of your screen, which says audiences, and see everyone that is registered within your account as a customer or perhaps as a user. If you are starting out and you still don't have any users or contacts listed within your MailChimp account, you can add audiences in different ways. And you can do so perhaps by sending them a form by selecting this option and also adding them manually by selecting the Add Contact option on the right top side of your screen. And once you select Add Contact, you have two options by which you can import contacts or add contacts single by single. If you'd like to import, you can click on Import Contact, and that will provide you with the different methods that you can do so. The first one is to import them from another service. You can also upload a file or copy and paste the email address directly to a slot that's going to be provided. With your contacts all sorted, you can go ahead and tag them or segment them into different sections so that you can target a specific group of your audience in order to facilitate your campaigns. If we say that much about audience, let's go ahead and see the process of creating a campaign for the audience that we have within our MailChimp. To get started on this email campaign, you would have to select Create on the left top side of your screen, and that will get you started with the process. As you can see on the right side of your screen, you have different options for how you can create that email. If you'd like to create a regular email, an automation, or a landing page, you can use these templates to initiate the process. And on the left side of your screen, you have different drop downs and options as to how you can work through your process. By selecting email, you can preview the different varieties for a regular email, a plain text, or also a template. We are going to work on a regular email, so we're going to click on Design Email, and that will lead us to a page where we can get started with designing the email content itself, the recipients, the subject, and also the sending time. Here we have 3 recipients that are already added, as we do have 3 contacts within this MailChimp account. So if we would like to adjust that, you can click on the Send To option. With the drop down, you can see here if you have different segments and tags, you can specify that to have a targeted audience. But for this example, we're going to send this email campaign for all. Once you're done with specifying your audience, you can click on Save and proceed to your next step. On the next part, the From section of your email is already automatically filled as you are the sender of this email. Next up is the subject of your email. By clicking on Add Subject right next to Subject, you can enter the subject line for your email. This section, as per all emails, is the first thing that your recipients or your audience is going to look at. So making sure it's a strong one and making sure that it has the message that we want to send to is essential. Once you've entered your subject line, you can also add a little bit more of the detail on the preview text if that's your preference, or else you can click on Save to hop on to the next section. On the next part, you can edit your sending time. If you'd like to schedule it for some time in the future, you can click on Schedule, adjust your time, and click Save. If you'd like to send it now, you can click on Send Now and proceed to save. With those components adjusted, now it's time to work on the email content itself. With MailChimp, you have different templates that you can work with, and to access them, you would click on Design Email, and with that, you're guided to the template dashboard. From these templates, you have paid versions and also some free options that you can use with no payment. For this example, we're going to select one of the templates that are free and click on apply. This is the stage where you're going to edit the components and content of your email itself. Right on top, you have the header, you have the logo, and the image content, and also some text placeholder, and a call to action, and some other additional components. On the left side of your screen, you have the editing panel by which you can adjust the content, add different sections to your existing content if you would like, and also adjust the layout of your template. The style option allows you to edit the overall feel of your email, and you can also preview it in desktop and mobile version. This allows you to modify the email, text, links, and buttons and adjust their sizes according to your desires. By going through all of these details, you would be able to adjust the style of your overall email. For now, we're going to edit the placeholders and enter text that we want our email to be composed of. By clicking on the text folder itself, we would be able to copy and paste or write the specific text that we want our email to have. On the image folders, if you'd like to add an image, you can click on the section itself, and on the left side, you can click on add, and that will allow you to upload an image or browse an image. We're going to upload an image from the computer, something that resonates with our brand. And after having selected that, we can proceed to the next placeholder. Since we're sending a thank you email for our visitors, we're going to replace the next section of the text by a thank you note. And with that, you can also adjust your call to action by adding a link on the left side of your screen and also changing the if you'd like your audience to receive a gift card, you can simply design your gift card and add the link on the left side of your screen and adjust the shape and size of your button if you would like, and proceed to the next section. On the next section, you have some company details you would probably need to make changes to, and once you're done, you can proceed to save and exit your editing portal. All right, with all these components of your email organized, if you would like to recheck some components of the draft, you can proceed to preview it on the right side of your screen and make further adjustments. If everything seems okay, you can go ahead and click on send on the right top side of your screen to initiate the campaign. Here, a pop-up dialog box is going to be previewed so that you would confirm that you're sending 3 subscribers this email, and by clicking on send now, you'll be sending your audience the email. And that's it. With this process, you can schedule or create an email campaign and reach out to your audience more often. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.